Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Auburn Hill, wants micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, to position themselves to benefit from major opportunities expected under the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority, NARA. The minister predicted that Jamaica could see 6.5 to 20 billion US dollars in investment over the next 5 to 7 years, and encouraged MSMEs to take advantage of that potential growth. Senator Hill, speaking at the New Testament Church of God Kingdom Builders Business Expo in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, urged small business owners to formalize their operations and prepare to provide goods and services for upcoming infrastructure projects. He said NARA will oversee billions of dollars in contracts, creating opportunities for local enterprises in areas such as transportation, food supply, and other support services. For the trading period of July 13, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Wigton Energy Limited with 5,719,315 units, or 24.8% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 5,443,095 units, representing 23.6% of market sales activities. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 2,388,440 units, representing 10.36% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and finance plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 13, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.70 and buying at $157.63. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $6.20 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.79 and was bought for $107.59. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $4.35 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.96 and was bought for $209.61. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, your interest rate could be costing you more than money. When most people compare loans, they focus on the monthly payment. While that is important, the interest rate attached to a credit card, personal loan, or microfinance loan can have a much broader financial impact. Higher interest rate increase the overall cost of borrowing, leaving less room in your budget to repay debt quickly. As balances remain high or payments become difficult to manage, your credit score can begin to suffer. For example, a credit card with a high interest rate can make it harder to reduce your balance, resulting in higher credit utilization, a key factor in credit scoring. A high-interest personal or microfinance loan may strain your cash flow, increasing the likelihood of late or missed payments, which can significantly damage your credit profile. In contrast, borrowing at a more affordable interest rate allows you to repay debt faster, maintain a healthier financial position, and build a stronger credit history. Borrow wisely, repay consistently, protect your credit. Your future borrowing power depends on it. In our Funded and Focus feature, artificial intelligence is changing the funding landscape for entrepreneurs. Banks and other lenders are using AI to evaluate credit risk, cash flow, and repayment capacity more quickly. For entrepreneurs, this means funding readiness has never been more important. Strong financial records, clear business strategies, measurable results, and accurate documentation are becoming essential in an AI-driven funding environment. The same technology can also work in an entrepreneur's favor by helping to improve business plans, strengthen financial projections, and develop more compelling funding proposals. As AI reshapes access to capital, businesses that combine innovation with preparation will be best positioned to secure loans, attract investment, and win grant funding. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.